What's up guys, Brimage here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe down below. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it to the moon and back. Alright y'all, so today's video is going to be a little bit different than the ordinary content on my channel. I'm going to be doing a Amazon home finds / Amazon favorite haul, where I basically talk about most of the items that I bought for my home from Amazon. So if you guys don't know, I recently moved into my first apartment here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So I've been on Amazon more than I need to, just buying stuff for the place, from furniture to kitchen stuff to just little miscellaneous stuff, and I just want to share those with you guys. So if you are interested, please stay tuned and let us hop into the video. Okay guys, so starting off, I have everything kind of listed in subcategories on my phone. I'm going to start off with the miscellaneous category. I kind of have this here because all the stuff under this, they're not linked to one specific area in the home, but I just feel like they're necessary, so I just put them under miscellaneous. And also some of them are not necessarily like home stuff, but like beauty stuff, but technically you use beauty stuff at home, so it kind of counts. Okay, so the first thing that I have on the list under miscellaneous is the Busties boob tape kit. So this is it right here. This was actually sent to me from Busties, and this is perfect for the girls like myself who hate to wear a bra. So basically the Busties breast tape kit kind of helps to give your boobies a lift, or basically the effect that a bra would give your boobs, but just without wearing a bra. So the kit comes with a whole bunch of stuff. So inside this kit is a roll of breast tape, 4 reusable silicone lifting nipple covers, 4 satin flower nipple covers, and a skin sensitivity test. And they also have like an instruction manual inside the kit as well to show you how to use everything. And it's super easy and super straightforward and perfect for the girls like myself who hate to wear a bra. So shout out to Busties for sending me this. They actually sell their boob tape on Amazon as well, so I will definitely have the link for these in the description box down below, as well as I will insert some pictures on the screen of the before and after of me using this breast tape kit. So shout out to Busties.
Also guys, be sure to check out the discount code that Busties has. It's on the screen right now. It's called Busties15, and it will give you 15% off of your order from Busties on Amazon.
Okay guys, so the next item that I have for you is this digital alarm clock right here. As y'all can see, this is shaped like an iPhone, just turned horizontally, and I absolutely love this. I got mine in gold. So I wanted an alarm clock kind of to trick my brain to not use my phone as the first thing that I pick up in the mornings, because how my brain processes it is that you have to check your phone to check the time when you wake up, as well as like, you know, to turn off your alarm and stuff like that. So I got this alarm clock to kind of limit my phone time in the morning. I don't know, it's like some reverse psychology thing I'm going on with, but I really do love this. I love the modernness of it. I love that it's gold, the reflective mirror, and it wasn't that expensive too. It does have like this snooze button on the top right here, as well as different buttons on the side that you can use to either set the time or enhance the brightness, or so on and so forth. So this to me is a necessity. I think everyone needs an alarm clock at their bedside, because we don't want to use your phones first thing in the morning. Like, we need to limit our phone use, or at least I. So moving on to the next item, I have my jewelry holder. Hold on, let me get it. This is her. Now, I have had this for quite some time now. It's an acrylic jewelry holder, and I absolutely love it. This is so clutch, especially for my girls who obviously wear a lot of jewelry. It's so cute and sleek and simple, and it just is great storage for your jewelry, because as you can see, it has a lot of drawers. It has 6 drawers, and then it has areas on the side where you can hang your necklaces and so on and so forth. So definitely look into this if you are someone who particularly wears a lot of jewelry, because obviously, you know, we're gonna need somewhere to store them, and I think this is actually really great storage. It stores a lot of stuff, as y'all can see. So the next item that I have for you guys is actually my wig head, and I have it right here. And I know I have a busted looking wig on it though. Actually, let me take her off. What I love the most about this wig head is that it is not a stand, it's literally just a head, and you attach it to your table. And this is clutch for me because I'm not necessarily a big fan of the wig stands. I mean, if I can just attach this to my coffee table or any table and do whatever I need to do with my wigs, that's more clutch to me. So if you're that type of person, then this will come in so clutch to you. I literally just attach it to my coffee table. That's literally where it stays. That's her home, and I just do what I need to do to my wigs on her. So this is definitely clutch for the girlies who wear wigs. If you don't like using wig stands, this will come in beautifully for you. I think I saw Sophiology with one of these, and that was the first time I knew that something like this existed, so I had to search through Amazon and I copped it, and we have been inseparable ever since. So the next item that I have for you guys is my wagon. No, if you live in an apartment, this is a necessity. Like, this is a need, okay? Like, I literally just got it like a week or two ago, and I'm just mad at myself that I took this long to get it. These wagons, they are so clutch. I use mine for whenever I go grocery shopping. Instead of having to struggle with everything in my hand, I just load it up onto the wagon and I'm good to go. I use it whenever I'm going to collect packages, if I'm taking out like big boxes into the trash. Like, it is literally so clutch, like such a necessity. I'm still in shock that it took me this long to get one of these. I strongly recommend anyone who lives in an apartment to get one of these. And two, they are foldable, so they don't take up that much storage space, but once they expand, it's like this huge thing that you can put hella stuff into, and it just makes your life easier. So if it's anything that you take away from this video or from this subset, it's definitely to get a wagon, especially if you live in an apartment. Okay guys, so the next item that I have is actually this black face soap right here. Now, I have spoke about this soap before in my skincare video a while back. I will link it in the cards up above and in the description box down below if you guys are interested. Now, this is a Dead Sea mineral soap, and it is the goat of all soaps. When I tell you, this does wonders for my face, and I have sensitive skin, this does not irritate me at all. And I've tried numerous black soaps before that really just strip my skin and like make it burn. I don't know why, but this is the gold. It definitely cleansed my skin, leaves my skin feeling brighter and fresher, and I am just obsessed with it. So if you're in the market for a new face soap, or you just want something that's a bit more sensitive on your skin but still get the job done, definitely check this soap out. This is the gold. This is a must-have. Like, I just have to have these, so definitely check this out if you are in that market right now. The last item that I have under miscellaneous is actually this shampoo brush slash scalp massager right here. So this is kind of necessary for me because I tend to get extremely dry and itchy scalp, and whenever I use this to wash my hair, I find that it really just massages my scalp and give it some TLC that it really does need. And also, it just feels good. It's literally like a scalp massager. I use it obviously whenever I'm washing my hair, whenever I'm shampooing my hair. I just use this and like massage the shampoo into my scalp just to ensure that, you know, it's getting cleansed and it's also getting a little massage. So I think this is definitely really clutch, especially if you have like dry and itchy scalp, or if you just want, you know, a scalp massage. You want to give yourself a scalp massage whenever you're washing your hair. This is definitely clutch for that. I recommend getting this. Alright y'all, so now I'm moving into the next category, which is kitchen. The first item I have in the kitchen category is this over the sink dish drying folding rack right here. This is it. This is the small one. They have them in small and large, and this was such an impulse buy that I do not regret at all. You don't know you need this until you get it. It's one of those things. So basically what I do, I just put it over my sink, and whenever I wash my dishes or whatever, I just put them on this to dry, and it just makes things so much easier. One thing about me, I did not want like a dishwashing rack thing on my kitchen counter because I've never really liked the look of them, to be honest. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I didn't know that they sold these. So this is definitely so clutch, and you don't even only have to put your dishes on it. You can like wash your vegetables and put it on it. Like, it's just so convenient because it's literally right there over your sink. So I love this for that. I literally, of course, use it every single day, and I just wish I knew about it sooner. The next thing that I have on the kitchen from Amazon are actually these coasters right here, and y'all can't tell me that these are cute. What? So I got these heart-shaped marble and gold coasters and I am in love. Clearly y'all can see why I bought them. They're just too adorable. What? Like, of course, you know, you kind of need coasters because who wants to mess up their furniture with drink marks on them? So if I'm gonna get a coaster, why not get a cute one and one that kind of matches the furniture in my house? And I've never seen heart-shaped coasters before, so when I saw them I had to get them, and they're so sturdy too. You guys, this is definitely like, listen to it. This material or whatever they used to make this is definitely sturdy. It comes in a pack of 4, so I have 4 of them right here and I just love them. They're so adorable. Coasters are a necessity, but these heart-shaped ones probably weren't, but they're so cute. I had to get them. What? Oh my god. If y'all want a cute heart-shaped coaster that is marble and gold, definitely check this one out, okay? The next item that I have under kitchen are these mugs right here. When I moved into my apartment, I kind of wanted like modern stuff, so these were definitely the type of mugs that I was eyeing. I do drink tea every single day, particularly green tea, so I obviously, like, you know, I need some coffee and tea mugs. I don't drink coffee, but I drink tea. So these were the aesthetic that this was the aesthetic that I was going for. So I saw this on Amazon and obviously picked it up, and they're just so cute and simple. It's just like some acrylic mugs. I believe it comes in a pack of 6, so I have 6 of them, and yeah, they get the job done. If you drink tea and if you drink coffee, or you know, you just like hot beverages, you're definitely going to need a mug for it. Why not get an acrylic cute looking mug? The next item that I have under kitchen are my utensils. So when I moved in here, I really wanted gold utensils. I love gold. I'm a gold over silver girl any day. Y'all saw my jewelry. Almost everything in there is gold. So I'm like, why not have gold utensils? Like, everyone has silver. I want gold. So I bought some gold, a pack of gold utensils on Amazon. The pack comes with a dinner fork and a dinner knife, as well as, what's this, like a soup spoon, I don't know, a big spoon, and a dessert fork and a dessert spoon. And I absolutely love this. I forgot how much comes in the pack. I believe it's 4, oh shit, I believe it's 4 of each. So that was definitely clutch. It's more than enough for me because I'm the only one here, but I do love the aesthetic of this. I mainly bought them obviously for the gold aesthetic because a fork and a spoon and a knife is going to do what they need to do, which is, you know, help you to eat. So yeah, these are definitely cute, and to me they are necessary. Okay, so the last item under kitchen that I have is my water filter. So I'm a girl who drinks a lot of water. I really don't be drinking juice like that. I'm mainly a water drinker, and if you're a water drinker, then you know that not all water tastes good. Y'all just know. So the filtered water that I have is from Zero, and this, I don't know, this water just tastes so good. It tastes so refreshing. Like, I really love this filter, and I got it from Amazon. I keep mine on my kitchen counter because I like to drink room temperature water. However, you can put it in your fridge if you like cold water, which is really not good for you, but that's not my business. It's just so convenient. You just fill it up, and the water goes through your filter, of course, and then you just take out the filtered water, and it is so crispy. It's crispy and nice. I don't know how to describe it, but I really love this filter. My all-time favorite. Moving on to the next category, guys. This one is called furniture. Now, I've already spoke about these pieces before in one of my moving vlogs. I will have it linked down below and in the cards up above, where I basically set these pieces up and put them together and organize them in my place. So if you're interested in that, please check that video out. First one under furniture that I got from Amazon is my coffee table, and I love this coffee table. Like, it is so beautiful. It definitely fits the aesthetic that I wanted in my apartment. It has that beautiful marble top and the gold legs at the end with the Xing detail in the middle. It's so simple and so cute, and it was so easy to assemble. Like, if y'all watch my moving vlog video, you could see that it definitely did not take me long to assemble this table, and it was actually really affordable, so I did not spend that much on the table. So definitely check this out if y'all are looking for a new coffee table. I think this one is really, really good. The next item I have are my bar stools. Now, this one did take some time for me to set up. If y'all watch that video, then you know that this one took some time for me to set up. However, I love the look of them. They're so beautiful. I love the gray and the gold ensemble. That really ties into the whole theme of my kitchen. So I really do love my bar stools. Do I use them a lot? No, but I do use them, and I really do love them. All right, you guys, moving on to the last and final category that I have, which is cleaning supplies. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is my Bristol vacuum and steam mop. This mop right here, my stepmom had told me about it and she was like, you know, it's a great alternative from just having a bucket and mop and all of that, because it really does the job of like a broom and a mop in one. Steam mop kind of does all of those jobs together, and I love this. I love my Bristol so much. It literally cuts the time in half for what it would take you to sweep out your place and then to go ahead and mop it. Like, this does everything for you. The vacuum feature as well as the steam feature definitely does both those items literally when you think about it at the same time, and I love that because it does not take me long to clean this place. However, I'm not sure if it works on carpet. I personally don't like how it works on carpet, so I don't really use it in the carpeted areas of my apartment, but for the living area, the kitchen area, and the bathroom, this is my girl. Like, we are besties. It also comes with 2 microfiber pads that you attach to the bottom. That's what really helps to clean the floor. So if you do want more, you can of course buy separate packs of those pads on Amazon. I have not bought more pads yet, but when it's time to, which is really soon because I have washed those 2 pads so many times, it's probably time to get a new one. Definitely will go on Amazon and buy those pads. I have not bought them yet, but I will have them linked in the description box down below just in case y'all are interested in getting them as well as getting this steam mop. The next item I have is actually tied to the Bristol. It's the mop water. So to clean the floor, the Bristol does say that you can use distilled water, but they also do some mop water and it's just scented water. This one is in the scent Spring Breeze. Hope you guys can see. And I just love this scent. I feel like it definitely makes my apartment smell a bit more fresh than, you know, obviously regular water. So this is not a necessity, but if you do want like an actual scent when you clean your place, like something fresh and airy, they have other scents as well, but I gravitated towards this one. So if you do want a scent, then definitely check out their mop water. So I'll have this in the description box down below as well. And the very last item that I have under this category is my vacuum. So I know I had mentioned that the Bristol is actually a vacuum and a mop. However, I don't think it works that well on the carpet, so I got something else to vacuum my carpet because my bedroom and my closet are carpeted. So this vacuum is actually from Bristol as well. Oh my god, I've been calling them Bristol this whole time. It's Bissell. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. But this vacuum is from Bissell as well, and what I love the most about this vacuum is that it transforms into a hand vacuum as well, and I think that is so freaking clutch. And then it's so small and compact enough. Like, I live in an apartment, so I don't need a huge powerful vacuum that's like, you know, just does too much. So this is so small and compact. As I said, I literally only use it to vacuum my room and my closet. Okay, so if you do live in a small area like an apartment by yourself and you just have like small areas of carpet, then I think this is definitely a good idea to get. And as I said, it does transform into a hand vacuum, so I use that to get like little crevices on the floor that I cannot reach, or like whenever I need to like vacuum my couch or just anywhere, you know. You can never not need a hand vacuum. That's how I feel. Alright you guys, that is all I have for you for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. As I mentioned, I'm always shopping on Amazon, so there's always new things to report on. So let me know if you're interested in videos like this in the comments down below. And also let me know what items you already have or which items that I mentioned in this video that you are going to cop. So with that, thank you guys so much again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. Share the video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram, and until next time guys, take care.